Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna learn how to create a table in Hive and how to add data to table from a local file system, and then how to create a partition in table, um, everything inside the Hive. So let's uh, let's just do it. Alright, so here I am in my Linux virtual machine. I'm gonna go to terminal and gonna open a new terminal, and just to make it look a little bigger for video, I'm gonna press Control Shift and the plus key is just Control plus to just make it a little bigger. Alright, so here just wanna see where I am right now. So I think in home directory, so I have to go to downloads where my data is. So I will cd download, and then from there I have to go into data folder. For that, cd data. Now to see the files in the folder, I have to run the command ls, and here I am. I have 4 files: movies.dat, ratings, readme, and user.dat. So I'll just have a look on movies.dat to see what's inside the file. So for that, head dash 10, mm, then the file name, so movies.dat, so movies.dat, and enter. Alright, so I have um, about 1 2 3 3 columns in this file. One looks like a movie ID or something, and the second is title, and the third is uh, kind of, I guess, is genre or something. So I'm not clear about that. So what I'm just gonna do, I'm just gonna go and read the readme file. For that, I have to press head dash, maybe like what, it's gonna be like 200 lines or something. So let's just do 200, and then the file name. Alright, so it's just gonna show me like all the contents of this file. So I have to scroll a bit up. Yeah, so this have a description of all the files. Here it says movie file description, so I'm gonna read this part of this file. So it says movie file description. Movie information is in the file movies.dat and is in the following format: movie ID, title, and genre. So this file movies.dat have 3 columns: movies ID, title, and genre. So we gonna make 3 columns in our table. One will be movie ID, which is integer, so it's just gonna have an integer, and then the title and genre will be a string. Alright, so let's just make the table. So table we're gonna make in Hive. So for that, I think we should better open another terminal for Hive. Alright, so to go into Hive, we have to run command hive, hive, and that's just gonna take us into Hive. Let me just make it a little bigger. Oh, sorry. Okay, also just want to change the title of the terminal to Hive so it's easy to find. Alright, and now again run command Hive. This is gonna take maybe like couple of seconds. Alright, so here I am in Hive. I'm gonna run command show databases. Oh, what is wrong with this command? Show data data. Oh, I forgot a. Alright, so data ses. Alright, so we have 1 2 3 4 5 okay, country, default, movies and student. So I actually made the movies database earlier, so just gonna use that database. So use, for that we're gonna use the command use and then the name of database, which is movies and semicolon. Alright, so we are in movies database. Now we're gonna use the command show tables. Alright, so we have okay, movies rating, s rating and user table in this database. So we're gonna create a table here with reference to name of movies, so that we can import the database here. Alright, so here we're gonna create table movies with the 3 columns. So for that, create table movies, and our first argument will be movie ID, and that's integer, and the second will be title ID, and that's a string, and third will be genre, that's also a string. So GNRE string, and these are the columns, and then we're gonna put the normal the things we usually put in it: row, format, delimited, fields, terminated by colon, and stored as text file. This is kind of optional, but nice to have it there. Alright, let's just oh, okay, no error, nice. So now we created the table. Now we have to upload the data in this table. Alright, so to load the data into table, we need the data path. So for that, let's just go back to the local machine. Alright, so here I am, ls, and to get the path, like from whichever folder you are, there's a command called pwd. So we are in data, and a path from the root directory is this one, home Cloudera downloads data. So I'm just gonna copy this path, copy, and then gonna go back to Hive, and here we're gonna write load data local in path, and then we're gonna give the path, and then we can write it overwrite, or if we have like anything else before in the table, but let's just put it. So overwrite into table, and our table name is movies. Alright, so let's see, load data local in path, home. Oh, sorry, I forgot to add the name of the file name is movies.dat. So movies.dat. Yeah. Alright, so let's just run it. Boom. So the data is loaded. To just check the data whether it's like loaded correctly or not, let's just run a small query. So select and store and from, and then the table name is movies, and star means it's gonna give all the columns, and the data is quite big, so it's gonna take some time, so we just limit it to 10 for first 10 entries. Let's see. Alright, so here we go. So movie IDs 1 2 3 4 10, Toy Story, animation, children, comedy. Oh, so it has like more than one genre uh, items in it, like categories. So this one has 3 genres: animation, children, comedy. The next one, Jumanji, has adventure, children, and fantasy. Alright, so looks like our data is properly uploaded. So next, what we have to do now is we have to create another table, um, which we're gonna partition by the genre. Well, if we partition the table by genre, then that will be kind of weird. It's like the genre is not always like the right one. For example, the first one has like the animation, children, comedy, and if we uh, count the number of IDs, the rows, like how many rows we have, let's just check it. So select what was the first name? Movie ID. count. Okay, I think they are like in order, so let's just go and see the descending movie ID from movies, uh, order by descending, DESC, limit 5. So order by. I think I forgot the name of the column, so just gonna use command describe movies. Okay, first one is movie ID, title, genre. Alright, so if you wanna count the first table and just wanna get the count, how can I get that? Okay, let's just try select count movie ID from movie. Looks like I have to study a bit of SQL. Alright, so I got the answer. So it's a 3,883 movies, and I think doing the partitioning by movies will not be a good answer to this question. Anyways, we uploaded the data, and the data is there, and well, see you guys with another video. Thank you.